What's up guys, Lefftus here. So I'm gonna be doing a UI video just discussing my UI, so my user interface. I've got a few requests about asking what I've been using, like what add-ons I've been using so I can configure my setup the way I have. So we'll start with the basics really. So we'll start with how am I getting this rectangle of all my spells there. And the add-on that you use it is Bartender. I do recommend it. It allows you to customize a lot, so you can move everything, move your stance bar. So that's just one of the simple options, so you can lock all that again. Then you've got numerous amount of bars that you can enable, disable, XP bars, the Blizzard art bar, which, yeah, get rid of that. And you can have numerous amount of profiles that you can go between. That is awesome. Like, I don't know why I stuck with the normal Blizzard bar for so long, but since I changed to Bartender, it has been the best. So I do recommend Bartender. That is the main add-on that I feel that has changed my gameplay a lot. Like, the rest has just made it look cooler, I reckon. So moving on from Bartender would be Pitbull. That's the next add-on that I get asked a lot about, and that is my player frame. So this one right here, like all this. So I'll do a little screen capture and I caption what each of these screens are doing for you. But it is Pitbull. It's hard to set up. Like, I still haven't even set it up properly because I've been lazy, and I should really change where my debuffs and buffs go. Like this druid that's healing me constantly. But it's really good. I do recommend it. And you can change like this portrait here of my character, of any character I pick on, so it changes. You can change it to be on the left hand side as a rectangle like X-Pearl, or you don't even have to have it. And another cool thing is with the health bars, you can change it to color by class. So it's gone brown for warriors, pick a death knight, it'll be red, and so on. And red druid, orange druid, sorry. And it just changes like that, but I just prefer to have it like that. What was that? Okay, cool. But yeah, I do recommend Pitbull as well. But you don't have to have it. You can just use the normal Blizzard health things, which it did take a bit of time getting used to moving the health bars from up here down to here, and that's what probably took the longest, in my opinion, to get used to, because I was always glancing up there. But now it's all in the middle and I can focus on what is around me, like what is happening around my character, getting out of whether it be like raid debuffs and all that. But definitely check it out. I do recommend putting your health bars there because it does allow for better gameplay, I guess. Like, you need to be on top of what's around you, and that's a way that it can help you be a bit quicker than other people. And that's about it for Pitbull. I'm not gonna go too in depth on how to set them up. I might post my UI package up somewhere if you guys really want it. But yeah. So the next one I use is Tidyplates, and oh my god, this would actually be the best thing for PvP. Like, it's amazing. Like, I just don't know what I would do without it. Yeah, I'll show you what it does. Like, so Tidyplates, it's this bar up here, and it shows my debuffs right there. And like, it just changes. So if I put a rend on it, or so it shows it all up there, and you don't have. It's an easy way to keep track of what's happening to your enemy, really. So you can and so if I change this one, the debuffs are still over there. So let's put a debuff on this one, and there's debuffs still there. So it's an easy way to keep track of what's happening around you and how your debuffs are going. And yeah, it's awesome. Tidyplates, I don't know what to do without it, and I do recommend it to anyone who's getting into PvP or starting up PvP, because it is amazing, and that's all I'm gonna say about it. It's just pure amazing. But what other add-ons do I use that don't quite affect the way I play in regards to PvP would be deadly boss mods. Probably one of the things you have to have if you're gonna do raiding. I'm not sure if WoW's got their own integrated deadly boss mods sort of thing, telling you when to get out of stuff and where to move to, but definitely just install deadly boss mods because it is amazing. Well, I'm saying amazing like this video, but I do believe all the add-ons that I have got are amazing because I wouldn't have them on here unless I use them a lot, you know, if I didn't want them there. So with deadly boss mods, it will tell you like 5 seconds till this spell will come up, then it'll tell you it'll do a countdown like 3, 2, 1. Some person is casting this Oblivion spell, something like that. And it tells you when to use your cooldowns, like your survivals. It's really good. I recommend anyone that raids should have it, and I'm sure a lot of raid leaders and all that would recommend you having something of the sort in regards to raid awareness, because that is what it does for me, and I don't know what I'd do without it personally in raids. What else is there that I use? So recount is another raiding PvE thing. Can meter a lot of things, but yeah, it is also useful because a lot of people like meters please and all that, and if you have it there you don't have to ask for it, and you can check what you're doing throughout the fight. But in that sense, that's PvE done. And one other aspect that I love, one other add-on that I love is Gladiator. I'll check it out for you. Can't remember the name off the top of my head, but it is Gladiator SA. And if you ever watch my PvP videos, it is the one that's saying Pillar of Ice or something. It tells you what major debuffs are being used. I'll put in a little example for you right here, so you'll just watch that right now. Watching that, aren't you? So yeah, that's pretty much what it does. It has this female voice like your GPS, and it tells you what debuffs have been used. And although it does get a bit annoying because it can screw up. Like one time I was saying drinking like every 2 seconds for like 5 minutes, and I didn't know what to do. But it is good for being aware of what the other enemies are doing. Like if the bloats on their cooldowns, you can keep on track of that very easily, and that's what that does for me. I think I saw this add-on on Swifty's videos, and I looked it up, and this is what it was. So I think that's about all my add-ons that I use, other than what else? Other than Gatherer, but I don't use that. Don't need to worry about that. But that's all my add-ons, and I hope you did enjoy this. I will probably upload my add-on package up. There might be a link below if I get round to it before I put out the video. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.